Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to tell I would like to share about how to make S-type and futuristic wall bookshelf in Sketchup. First of all, you have to make a rotated rectangle anyway. Then you can position on origin. Then you can adjust the length of the wall as you want, and you can set the thickness as of the wall is around 150 millimeter for the thickness. After that, you have to push it up until 3000 millimeter as usual. Then you can make it group, and now you can um, draw the wall bookshelf with a line right here. You can draw like this. Maybe you can follow these videos. You can draw the bookshelf as attractive as you can anyway. Maybe you can see the video anyway. Maybe something like this. You can use line. Okay, after this step you have to offset this line. You have to offset this line with offset tool. You can offset the thickness is around, maybe you can set the 50 millimeter for the thickness. Then you have to complete all of this line. Then you have to make sure that starting and the end of line is close, so it would be a clearer shape. Okay, then you have to push it until it become until it get a thickness. It's around 469 millimeter, something like this. Okay, after that you have to make some divider right here. You can make some divider with rectangle in this area, in any area as you want, maybe, and you have to move and press Ctrl it to duplicate it. Okay, you can repeat it on another side of this wall bookshelf anyway. Okay, you can see it. You can see about this step. You can adjust the divider of the bookshelf. Okay, after that you have to make a maybe you can add some shelf right here. Okay, after that you have to make material. You can add formica, and you can add maybe this material or divider of the shape. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and wait for my next video on my channel. Thank you.